I hope you find a love that's better than mine, and I hope you find a girl that pleases you right. I hope we move along, get better with time, 'cause I need some room to grow, and you need.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl deja.zhane. So today I wanted to do a really quick summer makeup look. So I was kind of inspired by Danessa Myrick. Yeah, so she's a makeup artist. I follow her on Instagram. I believe she's done Jackie Ina's makeup before. It's really pretty, and I thought it would be like perfect for summer. I've actually never done like a glossy lid before, so I'll be attempting to do that. So I also plan on having like a little photo shoot at the pool. It is getting a little late, and I just want to utilize the sunshine. Let's zoom in. My hair is wet. I have my swimsuit on. Yeah, so I just kind of want to use like very minimum face products. I'm going to prime and moisturize my face using the Lancome UV Expert. It's a broad spectrum SPF of 50, which is really good. A moisturizer, primer, sunscreen, perfect. I'll be color correcting today using my e.l.f. Color corrector, and it's the orange one. And I'll just kind of speed past this process because y'all have seen me do this plenty of times. So for today's foundation, I'll be using the Maybelline Superstay in the shade 336 Warm Bronze, and my CoverFX Power Play foundation in the shade G80. Even though it's golden, to me it looks like it needs a little bit more of that yellow undertone, and this one is like really yellow, but I love like the formula of it. So, and to make this foundation like super like glowy, I'm gonna add a little bit of the Josie Maran Argan Moonstone drops. It has some like illuminating like shimmer in it, and it looks really, really pretty. And you know what? I really don't like this brush because it feels like it's like, I don't know, like the edges are too sharp and it's kind of like stabbing my face. But I can't find my other one, so this will just have to do. It's looking nice and wet. I'm going to conceal my under eye. I'm gonna try not to put too much of concealer on. I haven't used my Fenty Beauty concealer in a long time, so I'll be using this today. She's making an appearance in the shade 310. Rihanna uses this shade. That is so crazy. Actually, I'm gonna put a little bit more. I lied. I lied. I'm gonna let this kind of like settle a little bit, just a tad bit, just to make it more like full coverage. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C16 first, just to kind of. I like how big the butt is of the sponge. It's nice. So I feel like this has been setting long enough for it to get thicker. I'm just gonna blend it out with this beauty blender. This sponge, I feel like, is different than my black one. Something about this one feels so different than the black one. I like it though. So I want my highlight to be a little bit lighter. So I'm gonna use my ColourPop concealer in the shade Medium 26. I'm gonna really try not to use too many powders. My powder of choice today will be the Hourglass. I'm not gonna touch this area of my face. I'm only gonna set underneath it. And I learned this trick at work. His name is Robert. He was doing a client, and he told me that he mainly focused the powder like underneath, like here on the jawline, and he didn't really set this area because he wanted to like keep that glow to her face. And I'm like, that is a good idea. Thanks, Robert. I still want to kind of carve out my nose, so I'm going to use a little bronzer for that. I'm going to do my brows off camera, and I'll be right back. So my brows are done, and I'm going to put a little dew on. I'm going to use a little bit of this Morphe shimmer drop stuff. It's okay on its own, but I'm going to use a little bit of the Artist Couture, mix it up a little bit. That kind of gave some glow, but I want a little bit more. I'm going to use some of these halo drops from Wet n Wild. I've used this a long time ago. I'm just going to use this one. Looking at the picture, she has a lot of glow. I'm gonna put a little bit of the loose highlighter like right here. I'm gonna take the same highlight and I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose. I'm gonna put highlight like right above the brow. I'm gonna take a little bit of the concealer, the C16 concealer, and I'm gonna put it over my eyelid. She has like a brown glossy lid, and I'm gonna use this as a base. I'm gonna take the same concealer and kind of drag it underneath my eye. And you don't have to use concealer for this part. You can totally just use like eyeshadow, a brown one, and it'll suffice. It'll be fine. So I have two glosses I want to use, or I might use, I'm not sure. I have this brown gloss by Anastasia, and it's called Sepia. And then I have like it's basically a clear gloss. I know it looks yellow, but it's clear. It's a clear gloss by Sephora. I'm gonna go back in and I'm gonna put highlight. I'm gonna put it on my brow bone, and mainly just a brow bone. In my reference photo, the lady is wearing lashes, so I'm gonna wear lashes. And these lashes are by Dime Essentials on Instagram. I'll insert her ad. This style is called High Maintenance. So I made sure not to put the but the lip gloss too close to the lash line, because I will be applying lashes. So I hope you did that. So as you can see, I got my lashes on. These are really cute. I'm gonna put some eyeliner on. She does have like her waterline lined with like a black eyeliner. I'm gonna use my Marc Jacobs. In the photo, she has like a nice orangey brown lipstick on. I'm gonna put on my BFF liner by ColourPop, and it's the lighter brown one. I'm gonna put this Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick on. It's a liquid lipstick. It's called Ashton. Try this NYX lip gloss called Modern Soul. It's like a lip lacquer. Ooh, that's orange. And on top, I'm just gonna put the Sephora brand lip gloss. Alright, so this is actually the finished look. It was fairly easy. I didn't really use too many products. I think my skin looks really good. Yes. So I will be posting photos on Instagram, so be on the lookout for that. I'll link my Instagram in the comment section, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Peace out.